Welcome back to the InScentive Collection. I'm your host, Brandon, and today, I bet you're thinking, he's got another fragrance? So des. All right, so today we are getting into Zaharoff Tabac. Zaharoff Tabac. Now these are some very pretty atomizers, not gonna lie. Nice sheen. It's definitely a robust decant here. We're not gonna waste a whole lot of time. We're gonna go ahead and get straight into this. But yeah, this is a nice decant. Nice decant indeed. So, Zaharoff, let's see what you got. Now, okay, good atomizer. I got into this because of the I've always wanted to try Zaharoff's fragrances, and the one from Justin Copeland was so good that I was just like, all right, now it's time to go ahead and try it out. So I got the sample pack. It was about, I think maybe 20. But into this. Okay, this is way sweeter than I thought it was gonna be. It's oh wow, yeah. It smells like genuine leather. A little spicy. Let's get into some of the notes. What we got here? So, in the top notes, you got cognac, lavender. That's interesting. Southern France lavender. Rum, star anise, Davana from India. In the heart, you got gold honey, blonde cedar, Virginia cedar, temple oud from Indonesia, tobacco leaf from the great United States. You got pimento leaves from Jamaica. You got fir balsam from Canada. In the bottom notes, you got sandalwood from Australia, plum, black amber, myrrh from Ethiopia, frankincense from Ethiopia, tonka bean, and vanilla Madagascar. And the ashiness is starting to come through. This is a quality fragrance. Yeah, it's evolving a little bit over time. As far as what I'm getting from this, you definitely get the gold honey and the vanilla. That's for sure. But I think as it starts to mature, we're getting into the tobacco leaf for sure. It smells like it's kind of that ashy tobacco that you would find in your red tobacco from Mancera, but not nearly as harsh. Yeah, this smells like a nice candle that just kind of got burnt out. You know, it's got that ashy. Yeah, I like this. Let's see what Fragrantica is talking about. Face ID for the win. I guess I'll just put in my. All right, so sweet, ambery, woody, warm spice, vanilla, tobacco, balsam, honey, aromatic, and powdery. Man, this is it's, you know, it's weird because it's kind of juicy. Like it's kind of Fragrantica has the exact same things listed, so that's good to see. So it's very rare, but the fragrances match up. They're the same. Yeah, guys. I must say, Zaharoff is 2 for 2 around here. Around these parts, this is one of the better traditional, straightforward tobaccos. It's very rounded. It's very smooth. It's a fresh. It kind of reminds me of the idea of what Parfums de Marly did with Herod, but in a more traditional way, like less experimental. I think this is a fragrance, you know, some people, I think this would be a great entry to somebody who wants to smell unique, but doesn't necessarily know a whole lot about notes, doesn't necessarily know a whole lot about fragrances, but of a person that knows quality. Yeah, they would like this. And I traditionally don't like rum accords or cognac, stuff like that. It's very sweet, very cloying. I don't really like that. This has rum, cognac, vanilla, honey, plum, tonka bean, you know what I'm saying? And it's not a sweet fragrance. I wouldn't list it as that. I mean, it is, but like, it's not the dominant aspect of it. Usually that would be like the part that's more forward. but the ashiness of the tobacco is ever present. It's in that direction. It's steeped in it. It's not, you know, it's unapologetic about its tobacco leaf. That's what this is. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, I really like this fragrance. I wouldn't say it's a fragrance that's like completely experimental. You know what I'm saying? It's definitely not that. This is for somebody who likes good things, but they don't necessarily want to delve into like the experimental parts of it. But yeah, those are my initial opinions. We might be seeing a bottle of this. Let me know what you guys think about the house, Zaharoff's house. So far, I'm liking it. 2 for 2 around these parts. One thing I know for sure, YouTube's making some excellent recommendations right now. Join the funnel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.